Have you ever come out of a dark night and felt the first warmth of morning? Psalm 30 is a sunrise song. From sorrow to singing, darkness to dancing. I will exalt you, Lord, for you lifted me out of the depths and did not let my enemies gloat over me. Lord my God, I called to you for help, and you healed me. You, Lord, brought me up from the realm of the dead. You spared me from going down to the pit. Sing the praises of the Lord, you, his faithful people. Praise his holy name. For his anger lasts only a moment, but his favor lasts a lifetime. Weeping may stay for the night, but rejoicing comes in the morning. There are seasons where we feel secure, like nothing can shake us. But then, life shifts. Illness comes. Loss hits. Fear creeps in. And in that place, we remember who holds us. When I felt secure, I said, I will never be shaken. Lord, when you favored me, you made my royal mountain stand firm. But when you hid your face, I was dismayed. To you, Lord, I called. To the Lord I cried for mercy. What is gained if I am silenced, if I go down to the pit? Will the dust praise you? Will it proclaim your faithfulness? Hear, Lord, and be merciful to me. Lord, be my help. This is what grace does. It turns grief into movement. It takes our mourning and teaches us how to dance again. You turned my wailing into dancing. You removed my sackcloth and clothed me with joy, that my heart may sing your praises and not be silent. Lord my God, I will praise you forever. Weeping may stay for the night, but joy comes with the dawn. This is Psalm 30, when the night breaks.